following is an excerpt from How to Make Quick, Easy Extra Money, our free report for those who want and need a fast, proven, virtually guaranteed way to make money online. Chapter 2. Dumb is dumb. Don't do dumb. For the last time, the fact remains that most dumb jobs and simple, easy-to-do gigs aren't all that lucrative. I mean, you could collect cans too, but there's a reason really poor and desperate people do that, and those of us fortunate enough to not be in that sad group do not. That is, there is a bit of money in it, but not bloody much. This is not, by the way, a slam on people who have no other choice but to collect cans or do other menial work like that. The thing is, if you choose to do something like that, and you have other options, it's dumb. For the same amount of time and effort and very little cost, you could make some real money. If only you knew how. Our goal here is to show you how to make a lot of money in a short period of time. That means we won't show you dumb. We won't let you do dumb if we can prevent it. In short, to make some real money, don't do dumb. Do smart. You've just heard an excerpt from How to Make Quick, Easy Extra Money. You can get the entire report 100% free by visiting our site. How to Make Quick, Easy Extra Money is a 30-page, 4,500-word report which will show you how to turn a part-time gig or side hustle into a highly profitable business in short order. We could charge big bucks for this report, and we may yet, since it will save you a ton of time and money. But you can get it 100% free if you act now, before we change our minds, pull it from the market, or put a hefty price tag on it. So go to our site and grab it now. This video may have a clickable link that will take you there. If you don't see one, the link may be in the description box. Failing that, simply type the link shown into your browser and hit return. Before you go, would you please give us a like and or subscribe? After subscribing on YouTube, you can press the bell icon and you'll be automatically notified of future web marketing, how-to, and make money online type videos, free reports, giveaways, contests, and more. We'd love it if you'd share the video too. Feel free to share the report once you get your copy. This is Carl signing off for now. Drop by our site if you have any questions. Best of luck! We give away valuable freebies monthly, so be sure to visit our site to win. If you dug this video, please give us a like, comment, or share. Follow, subscribe to get notification of cool new stuff. Thanks for watching.